This is an overview of where Unizin products and services portfolio is today. Our consortium has made significant progress on our products, tools, and services. We can sort them into three functional areas: the content relay, the learning environment, and the analytics relay. First, let's talk about the analytics relay. This is where our data development services begin to support data access and insights for member faculty, students, and staff. The Unizin Data Warehouse is a repository for learning data that's owned and controlled by Unizin members. Today, the UDW stores data from the Canvas Learning Management System. As more member campuses begin to utilize the UDW as one of their centralized learning data repositories, we are creating consistent data management practices across the consortium. This can help reduce redundant, local efforts and set the foundation for aggregated data to empower research for and by our members. At the core of the UDW is the Data Mover, an automated data integration pathway in or out of the Unizin Data Warehouse. Today, we are moving data from Canvas into the Unizin Data Warehouse. The plan is to allow for additional data sources, such as student information and other systems data. Unizin, working together with its member institutions, is now starting to identify these additional data sources, services, and processes required to provide access. Next, we'll look at the overall learning environment. Solutions for the learning environment include Unizin Snapshot and Unizin Engage. Snapshot is an LTI dashboard that delivers a suite of charts, reports, visualizations, and notifications to instructors and students within the LMS. Snapshot shows students' progress with individual courses. It allows instructors to quickly identify at-risk students in their classes that may benefit from early intervention. Unizin will work with our members to evolve the application and develop learning analytics innovations beyond LMS and early warning systems. Unizin Engage is an e-reader that delivers digital course materials across all devices, both online and offline. It can capture and show learner interactions with course content, including textbooks, PDFs, videos, and more. This information will be integrated into future versions of Snapshot to monitor student engagement with course materials. Engage is able to enhance access to both open educational resources as well as publisher material in low-cost but highly effective manner. Being able to offer all learners access to content on the first day of a course, as Engage does, is shown to increase learner success, a fundamental goal of the Unizin Consortium. The next area of tools and services is the Unizin Content Relay, which can support the life cycle of learning objects and course material. The first step in that life cycle is content authoring. Unizin is hosting Pressbooks, an open-source, widely adopted tool for producing high-quality content. Pressbooks also support the production of affordable textbooks and OER content that can be distributed and read in Unizin Engage. Unizin's Content Studio will provide a foundation for collaborative content development that can power a teaching and learning ecosystem. It has three main applications: a content curation and sharing application, a discovery application, and a course libraries application. Content Studio helps users navigate the content available within an institution, find and organize items that match their learning objectives, and build course libraries that can be used to structure courses and learning experiences. The core technology underlying Content Studio's applications is Unizin's content management platform. The Unizin CMP is designed to support individual and team-based course development practices. Let's look at each of Content Studio's applications. The curation and sharing application enables a university's content producers to control and direct the use and discovery of their content collections. It captures valuable learning metadata and enables the grouping of content into thematic collections to make discovery efficient. The Discovery application enables users to search and download learning objects or seamlessly adopt them into the Course Libraries application. The Course Libraries application enables faculty to develop and maintain collections of content for their courses. They may work alone or invite others, such as instructional designers and librarians, to build their courses with content. Course libraries let faculty reuse and adopt content and learning objects in the future. To sum it up, Content Studio allows content creators, like writers, editors, and multimedia developers, to assemble collections of learning objects. Consumers, like faculty, instructional designers, and librarians, can find these collections, then download them or bring them into a course library for immediate and future use. So where are we in the process? Well, the Unizin Data Warehouse, a foundation for access and use of these tools, Engage, Pressbooks, and Snapshot are available now. The core applications of the Content Studio will be available in early 2017. With this initial Unizin portfolio of products, tools, and services, the consortium is taking the first steps to support personalized learning at scale. It's not clear where the future of digital education is leading institutions, but we all think learner success can be achieved when technology is loosely coupled with the learning environment and teaching is continuously improved with data-driven practices. Visit unizin.org for more information about Unizin solutions.